Hi friends, Beverly Monacle here. Now this is day 9 of my all-out massive action 90-day challenge, and I want to just talk to you a little bit about myself, yourself. Are you being unstoppable? And what I mean by that, are you really doing all it takes to create massive action in your business? Now I know this is about me and my 90-day challenge, and I am stepping up to the plate and I'm working hard. I find myself doing things that I don't normally do when I'm just kind of laying back, and I'm not going to be that way. I am taking massive action because by December 4th, my business is going to look completely different, and it's going to be 100% even better and stronger than it is right now because I'm being unstoppable. I'm not going to let the naysayers or the negative people get me down. Now, in this line of work, network marketing, you get a lot of no's, but it is a numbers game. And to me, a person that is interested in network marketing is a person that has an open mind because they realize that all the efforts of their team together help create wealth, residual income for them in the future. Now, the only way my team is going to be successful is if I help them, and that's what I'm doing. I'm reaching deep down into my team, talking to people I've never spoken to before, introducing myself to them because I have a big team. So I'm introducing myself to them. If they're open, I'm going to help them create a big difference in their business too. Now, another thing, when you are doing network marketing, it is a learning skill that you have to go through. So are you upgrading your skills? Are you reading on a daily basis? Are you attending free workshops? You don't have to pay for everything. There's so many free ones out there. Yes, they're advertising for you to buy their stuff, but they give you some great gold nuggets in their free webinars. I highly recommend you attend some free webinars. I've learned a lot about video. I know a lot about video and know how to get in front of the camera. It's not always perfect, but I don't want to be perfect because I want to be duplicatable. I want my team to feel like they can get in front of the camera and they can talk to people too. So these are the things I want to remind you to do for your business like I'm doing for mine during this 9-day challenge. I'm going to be unstoppable. Negative people are not going to get in my head and they're not going to ruin my day. If they say no, that's their choice. And that's okay. Not everybody likes my business and not everybody's going to like your business. But there are plenty of people out there, lots of people in the world. And now that I'm online, I'm realizing just how big our world is. And that's what I love about it. So I'm not going to be unstoppable. I am going to constantly be upgrading my skills. Getting on these free webinars. Sometimes if that particular thing is something I know I need, I might purchase it too. It is a tax deduction because this is my business and it's learning from my business. So be unstoppable, upgrade your skills, and guys, if you are looking for an amazing online business and you like video and you like talking to people, then we need to talk, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.